Hi viewers, welcome to our innovation. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சேனல்ல பார்க்க போற வீடியோ 6th standard English term 3 unit 2 prose தான் லேர்ன் பண்ண போறோம். வீடியோக்குள்ளார போறதுக்கு முன்னாடி எங்களோட சேனலை இதுவரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கூடவே பெல் ஐகானையும் கிளிக் பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா எங்களோட வீடியோஸ் இமிடியேட்டா உங்களுக்கு கிடைக்கும். வாங்க இப்போ நம்ம வீடியோக்குள்ளார போலாம். Unit 2 prose is That Sunday Morning. Okay, this is the name of the lesson, That Sunday Morning. This lesson is about an author, that is she is a female author named Savita Singh. So author oda name vandu Savita Singh. She writes about her experience at her childhood. Okay. So the lesson was about a Sunday morning. So what is happening? Let us see. The author, they were new to the place. Okay. So the author Savita Singh was new to their place. Before they were living in Delhi. So her father was working in Delhi. Now he got posted. That is, he was transferred or posted to the place Patna. Okay. Patna is the place now they were arrived. So it was the first Sunday. So the happenings takes place on the first Sunday they were in Patna. So they decided to go for a ride, that is a bicycle ride with her brother. Okay, her elder brother and herself, they both were planned to go for a outing. Okay, that is in the early morning they are going for a bike ride. Okay, that is cycle ride they are going. So in the morning there will be no crowd, isn't it? So it will be very free. The roads were very clear, and the roads there is a trees were around the roads. So on the both the sides of the road there were trees. Okay, it gives more shady for them. And also there is no buildings. Okay, if you take Delhi, no, it is very crowded place. It will be full of buildings and monuments. But here in Patna, they find the road to be very clear, and nobody was there in the road in that morning. Okay, so they had just come for a ride. Now after the cycle was about an half an hour. So after they were riding for a half an hour, they got bored. Okay, now the brother is saying, okay, the author's brother was saying that they are planning to go for a race. He was saying that, come on, I will race you to that corner. Okay, so the loser needs to treat them with a chocolate bar. Okay, now the author's brother was calling for a race. Now they are getting ready for the race, and they shot. The race was not taken for the first time. So this was not the race first time it was taken. So often they will go for the race. So who will win? Her brother will win the race. So even if he is winning, what he will say? He will be very proud. That is crowd. It means boasted up. Okay. He will be very proud about his winning. So avana patti avanga nalla perumaiya pesikkuvan. Okay. So now the author, she was ready to determine. Okay. She was determined to win this time. So in the time, author, she had a mind to win by herself. Okay. Avada win pananunta nenikira. Okay. Then now she pedaled fast. She pedaled fast, and her skirt was billowed out and threatening to my face. So since she was wearing skirt, it was very disturbance for her. The trees on the either side of the road, it become very green. Okay, one green blur. It means she was very tensed. Okay, the winds are blowing. So kaatadikumbodhu, so she feels very blur. Okay. Her mind, now the trees also, it is blur means unclear. Okay, the road, it looks, the trees are looking unclear since it is very windy time. And my hair was blue behind me, my lungs were bursting for air. So now she was tensed because she want to win the race. Okay, soon I drew level with my brother, and then gradually I moved ahead. Now somehow she managed to move ahead. Okay, she tried to move in front. Okay, in session 2, now as they were moving on the race, what happened? Suddenly she saw in a road. Okay, in the road, in the middle of the road, there stood a cow. Okay, cow was there, and she don't know what to do. Okay, her brakes get jammed. Okay, the author's brake, it gets jammed, and she abruptly what happened? She could not able to stop the bicycle. She could not able to stop it. Suddenly, what happened? She jumped over the cow. Okay, she came and jumped over the cow. She could not balance it. Okay, and the land was smack on the back, and unfortunately the animal. Now when the author was riding the bike so fastly, okay, when she was riding it so fastly, suddenly what happened? A cow was standing in front of her, that is in middle of the road, and she came over. She could not able to manage the situation, and the cycle was down and she was on over the cow. Now the cow also it got frightened. Okay, it was also frightened, and now the cow is also running here and there. Okay, the cow was also got frightened, and in front of them they saw a rows of army people. They were traveling. They were on the horse. Okay, they were marching toward them. So they were marching toward the cow where it was. Okay, they obviously belong. So where they belong to? They belong to the governor's bodyguard. Okay, they were marching, and now those horses also got frightened by seeing this cow. Okay, now the people who were the men who were sitting over the horse, they were also got in trouble. Okay, they were also frightened, and the horse also become panicked and scared. Now they all running out of their way. So they were moving in a row. Now what happened? They got frightened because of this cow, and they were also away from their place, and they were somewhere. The cow managed to fall in the ditch, and in the process dislodged me, and I landed on the soft earth bordering the ditch. Now the cow, it was may fall into the ditch, and she was also fall near to that ditch also. Okay, now the horse also got panicked, and the horse was also looking very irregular, that is they are moving away from their place. Okay, this was happened in the second session. Now in the third session, she was fallen in the ditch, isn't it? The horse also, what happened? They were out of the control. So the horsemen, that is the army men, they were bodyguards, they were out of control. They can't able to control the horses also. The horse, now they are running like a mad in circles, while the riders try to bring them under their control. Okay, in the two horses, what happened? One horse hit through its rider in front of her, that is he was fallen under the ditch, and he was looking very poor. Okay, the poor fellow, he was crumbled out of the ditch, tearing his pants and rather awkward place. Okay, now realizing this, he sat down on the road with a thump and would not get up. So he can't able to get up from that place. Okay, he was also hurted a lot. After these happenings, now her brother was coming to the place, and he took her the bike, and he gave a look at him. Now she got very angry, like hitting him. Okay, the author got very angry, and he looked at her, and he started to laugh at her. He is saying that you look at such a sight on the top of the cow. So he was laughing at her. Then he probably realized that I might have been hurt and asked, are you alright? So after that only he was asking, are you alright? Okay. So I said heartily and got up once. Now nothing on the ground would have made me admit to him how frightened and shaken. Now she was very hurt herself, and she got frightened a lot. Okay, the author got very frightened a lot. Now her brother was pointing out that one of the horse rider is coming towards them. Okay, they were coming, the horse riders, they are facing them and they are coming them. Now her brother is saying, so we have to move from this place immediately, or they may be shout at them, isn't it? So they will be scolding, the horsemen will scold the girl, isn't it? So they want to move from that place immediately. Now my brother gave them an uneasy glance and said, I think I would be nice if we moved quickly from here. I looked around and saw that if both of us did not move fast enough, we would be called in front of a lot of explanation. So now they want to move from that place, or they need to give more reasons about this, isn't it? More explanation about all these happenings. So that morning they away from that place, okay. The morning had already been rather eventful and we did not want to add another unpleasant episode to it. So they don't want to continue this again, okay. If those horsemen, they will be coming in, they will ask what happened, why these all taken place, they will be asked all the happenings, isn't it? They want to give more explanation also. Now they move from that place. So this was to avoid another unpleasant episode, they move from the place, okay. This was the lesson, okay. It is written by Savita Singh. Thus the lesson ends, children. If you have any doubt, you mention me in the comment section. I will clear your doubt. If you like our video, like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for the further videos. Thanks for watching our videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.